Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have an interesting accessory here. This is a USB-C cable. Well, the other one is USB-A to USB-C, but this is really interesting actually. It's from Magtame magnetic charging data cable. What separates this from the other ones is that this is like kind of coiled, or it's like a portable charger, and then you can like extend it. So without further ado, we're gonna unbox it, these three. So I have three of them because they're pretty much, they are on different colors right now. So we're gonna test them out. And one of them I think is a USB-A to USB-C, and the other two is like USB-C. Let's open it up. I'm just gonna open all three at once so we can compare all three. And I think this is really good for, especially for, you know, when you're traveling with your iPhone and your MacBook or your, you know, your Windows laptop and all that. First of all, it does say here, this is a magnetic charging data cable. So this one is the USB-A to C. Basically, there is a marker here. Right off the bat, look at this one. Look at the coils and all that. It's pretty cool. And they are, again, this is a magnetic data charging cable. So look, this is really cool because you can extend this one. The one I got, these are 3 feet, if I'm not mistaken. You can just like coil them back and it snaps back right in. And this one is the silver color. One here is USB-A and the other is USB-C, the other end. The braided cable looks actually pretty premium. It's not bad actually. Although I got this on sale during Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and it was around 12 bucks. It was on sale, but I think regular price at the time of the recording is around $19.99 or 20 bucks. But I think this is really cool because you don't have to, especially when you have to entangle everything, and then you have to, like those, I don't know what you call it, but like you have to put some cable management and all that. So I like that. Let's open the other one. And this is the black version. This is USB-C to USB-C because I wanted to check each one out, and I mostly, especially with my iPhone 15 Pro, USB-C all the way now. So again, same cable, different color. So far I like the silver one compared to the black one. Although the black one looks good, and you know, the braided cable and all that, the quality is pretty good. I just like the look of the silver one for now, but this one is the blue one if I'm not mistaken. So we'll see how this compares to the other. Oh wow, I think I like the blue one the best out of the three. If you guys can see, the blue one really looks pretty good. I'm not sure if they're on sale, but yeah, the blue one really looks good. We're gonna try to test this out. If I'm not mistaken, I'm gonna have to check the specs on this one. I think it's USB 3.0. Let me just make sure. Why am I searching Amazon under the Amazon app? That was so stupid. So basically, this is a 60 watt fast charging tech. It does say here 60 watts. It can't, well, capacity is like a 60 watt charging cable. I am curious though, for the data transfer and all that, and especially the USB, what type of USB-C these are. But as you can see, oh okay, I just noticed this one. Yeah, since these are magnetic, I don't think you can really, it can carry one, but they do snap to each other. But they are pretty good. I have to check though, what are the actual specs on this? Is this just a charging cable? We'll see. It says here it's 480 megabytes per second for that transfer. I'm not sure if that's USB 3.0. Unfortunately, these are USB 2.0. I wish it was USB 3.0. These are really handy, especially when you are traveling and all that. And I like the blue color. I think I'm gonna keep this and the silver one. I mean, the black one is not that bad, but this just pops out more to me. The silver also looks pretty good, actually. Here's how it looks like when I put this here. Then where's my MacBook? Let me just get my Mac. They are all the same. It's just that I got the other version, the USB-A to USB-C, but we're gonna check it out. So if you can see right here, maybe on the overhead camera, put this one, and you know, normally the cable is always like long and all that. It's like dangling and all and everything. It's kind of annoying. So this one, you can just like coil them around, and there we go. Inside here, on the overhead camera, you guys can see, they snap in, which is really cool. I like this one. I don't know why have, you know, not a lot of people have thought about that, like, you know, a magnetic coil cable is really good. It's, you know, it's charging data cable. Unfortunately, it doesn't really say here if it's USB 2.0 or USB 3.0, but on Amazon, it says it's 480 megabytes per second, so that is USB 2.0. So that is a little bit, it's not really a big downside, you know, it's not a major downside, but I guess the one I got is USB 2.0. I wish it was USB 3.0, but I like this one, especially for charging. You know, I have USB 3.0 and all that, but I'm probably gonna keep these one. I like it a lot. Maybe a longer one, we'll see. This makes everything tidy. Especially, you know, again, traveling, my backpack, going to different states and all that. I like that. I think, yeah, this is up to 60 watts when you charge this one, so this is pretty good. This is good enough for MacBook. For a MacBook, maybe it's not the fastest charging, but for your mobile or your iPhone, you know, that's gonna be the fast charging and all that. This is, again, it's a pretty simple accessory, but I think you're gonna love this one, and I think it's a must-have, especially with an iPhone or an Android, and you can also use it with your laptop since it's a USB-C. You can get the USB-A to USB-C, but USB-C all the way now. All right, we're gonna test out the actual magnets in this. Do I have any clip? Oh, I have some screw here just to show it to you. See, they are magnetized. So it's like, you know, it's strong enough to tidy up your cable, to coil up, which is really good. I like this one. Look how neat they are doing like this. You don't have to get all these freaking, you know, those zip ties or zip wires and all that. You can just have this. I like this so much. It's kind of interesting where, you know, a very simple idea with a cable, but not a lot of people actually have thought about it. So that's why this is really interesting, if I may. Look, we can probably do it like that. Look how easy that is. You're gonna uncoil it and then you just like put it back and it snaps back right in. Really nice. I love this one. Really cool idea and very interesting for a very simple product, which is just a cable with a magnet. All right, that's it for this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to the channel. I'm gonna put the links down below if you're interested in buying this one. Use my referral link. It doesn't cost you anything, and it's gonna help my channel to grow. I'm Lars of Killer Nomad. See you in the next video.